We'll turn that bottle up and drink it, crank that jukebox up and hank it, bartend for another round. Here's to our best bad decision, situation, no conditions, and memories we.
Hi, Dyanick here. I'm going to teach you the improver level dance to dive bar. No tags, no restarts, 4-wall dance. All right, let's get started. You start with your weight on your left, and you're going to do a little vine. You're going to step out with your right, behind with your left, out with your right, step in place with the left, and then step back on the right foot and extend your front left heel. Then step down on that left heel and touch with your left, step back, extend the heel again, and step forward and touch. All right, so again, that part is back and touch, back and touch. All right, let's try that again from the beginning. Out, behind, out, step, back and touch, back and touch. And the counts on that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that's the first 8 counts. The next 8 counts, you're going to kick just really small, low kicks. Front right, right to the side, and do a right sailor step, sailor step. Then the same thing almost on the left foot, kick front, side, and do a quarter sailor turn, sailor turn. Okay, let's try that again. Front, side, sailor step, kick front, side, quarter sailor step. All right, let's try that again from the top. Out, behind, out, step, back and touch, kick front, side, sailor step, front, side, quarter sailor step. Okay. And the counts on that second set of 8 are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, the next set of 8, you are going to do a toe heel stomp with the right and the left. Toe heel stomp, toe heel stomp. You step out with the right, and you're going to do a half turn pivot to your left and hit your left foot. And then you're going to shuffle forward, left, right, left. Let's try that again. Toe, heel, stomp, step out, pivot, hitch, shuffle forward. Let's do that again with the counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All right, let's put that all together. Ready? Out, behind, out, step, back and touch, kick front, side, sailor step, front, side, quarter sailor step, toe, heel, stomp, step out, pivot, hitch, shuffle forward. Okay, the last set of 8, you're going to step out with your right and do a quarter turn, step out again, another quarter turn, and then a right jazz box cross. So you step over, step back in place, and cross. That's the end of the dance. And if you notice, when you get to the toe heel stomps, this is going to be your next new wall. And we make a complete left turn all the way around with that step combination from the toe heel stomps right to the ending jazz box cross. All right, let's try the ending with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put this all together. That's the whole dance. Ready? Out, behind, out, step, back and touch, kick front, side, sailor step, kick front, side, sailor, step, toe, heel, stomp, pivot, hitch, shuffle forward, quarter, quarter, jazz, 2, 3, cross. Okay, all right, let's go through a few walls. So let's start at 9 o'clock because our dance moves counterclockwise around the room. You ended with your jazz box cross and it goes right into out, behind, out, step, back and touch, kick front, side, sailor, step, front, side, quarter, sailor, step, toe, heel, stomp, pivot, hitch, shuffle forward, quarter, quarter, jazz, 2, 3, 4, out, behind, out, step, back and touch, kick front, side, sailor, step, front, side, quarter, sailor, step, toe, heel, stomp, pivot, hitch, shuffle forward, pivot, jazz, 2, 3, 4, out, behind, out, step, back and touch, kick front, side, sailor, step, front, side, quarter, sailor, step, toe, heel, stomp, pivot, hitch, shuffle forward, quarter, quarter, jazz, 2, 3, cross. All right. All right. Keep your steps small, especially on the beginning counts when it's out, behind, out, step this back and touch, front, side, sailor, step, front, side, sailor, step, because it's quick. You don't need to make big steps there. Make it smaller because you have to move more quickly. Always remember this dance, you're always turning to the left every turn. So the first time you do a quarter turn sailor step, and this is going to end up your new wall. And then you do that pivot hitch, quarter, quarter. So you're just making a complete turnaround. So if you can remember that, it's helpful. Dive bar is one of those dances that starts right away, like 4 counts in. So bear with me, I'll try to start right at the beginning. Ready?
We'll turn that bottle up and drink
3,
it,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, side, sailor. Front, side, quarter, sailor. Toe, stomp. Pivot, hitch, shuffle. Quarter, quarter, jazz box. Out, behind, out, step. Back and touch, front, side, sailor, step. Front, side, quarter, sailor. Toe, heel, stomp. Pivot, hitch, shuffle. Quarter, quarter, jazz box, cross. Out, behind, out, step. Back and touch, front, side, sailor. Front, side, quarter, sailor. Toe, heel, stomp. Pivot, hitch, shuffle. Quarter, quarter, jazz box. Out, behind, out, step. Back and touch, front, side, sailor. Toe, heel, stomp. Pivot, hitch, shuffle. Quarter, quarter, jazz. dancing with me.